Hey everyone, welcome back to our brand new to Blender course. Today we're going to be actually downloading Blender and having a look at how we can download previous versions of Blender as well, in case you don't like using a particular version. So let's just get straight into it. If you go ahead and click on the link in the description, or you can just type www.blender.org into your web browser, this will take you to the official Blender homepage. Straight away we're greeted with some nice artwork and then a download link for the current Blender version. The current version is Blender 4.2 LTS. So I'm just going to go ahead and left click this download button. Then you'll be taken to this download page. And here, if you're on Windows, you can just go ahead and press the download button here. Or if you're working on a different operating system, such as a Apple Mac or a Linux, you can just left click this drop down here. If you just want to get the current version, you can just go ahead and press this download button here. If you want to download a previous version, there's an option here called previous versions, which you can just left click. Here it will bring you to another page called Embrace the Past. And there's a button here called Download Any Blender. So I'll just left click that. So for example, if I wanted to download Blender 4.1, which was the last release, then I could just scroll down to the bottom here, and here we can find the Blender 4.1 link, and if I left click that, you can find all the download links for the different operating system. For example, we got one here for Windows, since I'm using a Windows computer. I'll press back to go back to the home page. Now I'm back on the download page, I'll left click this download button here, and then a pop-up will appear, which is just the file browser. And you can choose a location to save your download here. Once you're satisfied with your download position, you can just go ahead and press save. I'm going to press cancel because I've actually already downloaded this. Once the download has completed, you can just come to your downloads page in your browser or in the location you saved it in your file browser, and you can just double click it to open it. Then this setup wizard pop-up should appear, and you'll just need to leave it for a few seconds while it calculates a few things. And then once that's done, you can just go ahead and complete the setup wizard by just pressing next, agreeing to a few things, and then pressing install. It's not really going to work for me because I actually already have Blender installed. So I'm just going to go ahead and press cancel. Once Blender has been installed, you can then come down to this search bar in Windows 11, or you can just use your own native search option on your computer, and I can just search for Blender here, and you can see I've got quite a few different Blender versions. I'm just going to choose Blender 4.2, which is the version we opened, and if I left click this, and then Blender should load up, and you can see we'll be met with this splash screen. If you've used the previous Blender version before, it will ask you if you want to load your last settings, in which case you can decide what you'd like to do from there. If I left click away from my splash screen, it will disappear, and now we can get started creating in Blender. To do that, I highly recommend getting started with this course here, which will teach you everything you need to know to start creating in this awesome software. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.